Hello everyone, I'm Sakura, Hokkaido Smile Ambassador. Have you heard of Hokkaido, Japan? It is known for wonderful fall seasons. In spring and summer, you can enjoy beautiful flowers and green. Autumn leaves are breathtaking, and it is covered by white snow in winter. Such a lovely place. And Hokkaido cosmetics and aroma products are now getting attention from all over the world. It smells so good. Do you know lavender? This aroma oil is made from lavender harvested in Sapporo. Have you noticed about my necklace? It's actually an aromatherapy pendant. Just a drop on your pendant and you can bring your favorite scent to everywhere you go.